How's it going, everyone? It is October 22nd, 2019, and this is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. Hello, good morning and afternoon, wherever you guys are coming from today. This is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. We just got a signal on Thriving Bulls Signals that's in beta right now. We're going to go ahead and go into the 1 hour chart when it comes to NADEX and see exactly what our entry should be. We probably will get this particular one right here. Go ahead and put it in for 25. Place that order. All right. Did we get it? Let's go ahead and just refresh the page. NADEX's new platform is still in beta, so it could be. There we go. We got filled. We got filled at 32.25. All right, perfect. So this is the trade. Typically for Thriving Bull Signals, you want to have the trade close out fully. You don't want to close it out early. That's just what we suggest, but well, not that we suggest it, but that's just our rules when it comes to our personal rules when we created the strategy. But now that we have the signal, we can monitor it, and we are able to put in take profit orders if we want to, for maybe half of the contracts. If we wanted to get rid of maybe 12 of the contracts at half of the full potential, we can possibly do that. But for this demonstration purposes, we're going to wait until the trade expires. We have 55 minutes left until the trade does expire. So we're going to go ahead and just let this trade work out. We're going to go ahead and put this into maybe a 10-minute chart and go ahead and see. But really, you can see if I were to go into Thinkorswim, we've been kind of monitoring GBP USD as well. But if we go ahead and go in USD CHF, we can really see we did hit the high of the day already, and we've just been kind of lingering around that high of the day. But we are just kind of floating around this area here, as you can see. So we're just kind of circling around that area. Sorry for the highlighter. We've been just circling around this area here. So we should be able to see a little bit of momentum back downwards into this region here, and that should be good for us. So we're going to kind of monitor the trade. We do have a little bit of things, a little bit here and there going against us, as every trade typically does when it comes to Forex. Whoops, sorry about that. We have a little bit going against us as far as something like this were to be concerned. We have a little bit of a trend line kind of going against us in here. We are kind of in a channel as far as that is concerned. So we are in a channel, an upward momentum channel, but we also have this going for us as well. And we have a little bit of divergence that could possibly form. It has not formed yet, but it could potentially form here in a minute. But we do have 54 minutes left until this trade does expire. Let's go ahead and go back into NADEX and see exactly what our price was. So our price was 9888. So we're going to go back into Thinkorswim, 9888. All right, that is our price. Thriving Bull sell. We'll keep it yellow. All right, so that's our Thriving Bull sell. And then we're going to go ahead and put our expiry on here as well, so we know exactly, when it expires. All right, perfect. So that's our expiry as well. So we just need price to be able to stay under this yellow line until about there. So again, we have a little bit of things here and there kind of going against us, but we'll just go ahead and kind of wait for the trade and see exactly what happens, and then we'll come back. All right, we're just coming to a close here with this trade having about 40 seconds left until the expiry. We are just going to wait until this trade kind of goes out. So let's go ahead and go into the tick chart and watch as this trade ends in the money. As you can see, we entered way up here. We can go into Thinkorswim. Here was the trade as well. As you can see, we went finally downward and passed even to this trend line here. Just a beautiful trade setup. As you can see, for price to even remotely get to where we need to be, it needs to break this trend line as well as now this trend line here. So we got about 3 seconds left. Let's go ahead and see where our trade is now. All right, it has finally ended, and we have taken profit. I hope that you guys enjoyed that trade. I hope you guys enjoyed the trade setup. That trade was based off of Thriving Bull's signals that we receive every single day. That service should be coming out very, very, very soon. We're hoping to have it released by next week. We are just finally getting a few more bugs fixed into the system to make sure that every single trade is sent to you guys as fast and as speedy as possible with the best possible price. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. If you want to be able to sign up for that, for the beta, you can go to www.thrivingbull.com. There you'll be able to sign up for the signals once they are released. You'll get an update on that. We will also have an auto trader that will be present when we open up, as well as deviation trading, forex education, NADEX education. We're gonna have it all. So please stay tuned for that. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below, or you can just visit www.thrivingbull.com.